Hello again. We're out here in the garage with the dirt ball because we have a problem. On these old 70s Corvettes, they put the door latch on the top of the door. And after about 40 years, they wear out. You see how it doesn't pop all the way up? That's a problem. First off, you get snow down in there. And somebody let it go long enough that the latch doesn't work anymore from the outside. Who would have done that? You don't know? I think he does. So, we're going to try to change it. You're going to have to get the door because I can't do it. So we're going to have to take this door panel off. Probably remove the bear claw latch because one of the mounting screws for the exterior latch is right above that. We're going to start tearing stuff apart and check in as we go. Okay, now you can see we have the inner door panel removed. We've actually gotten pretty good at this over the years. So now it will be a matter of disconnecting the linkage and taking the rest of it apart. You want to show them the new latches? Okay, I'm going to sit over here and narrate. So for all you Corvette guys that think you can take this apart and not put the screw back into this door handle, there's a couple grooves that interlock into the latch mechanism. I would definitely recommend putting that screw back in before you pull on this handle because you will break this cast piece here. I know from experience. And as for the exterior door latch goes, we have this really nice GM reproduction part handle that will go back in the top of the door. But we have to get the mechanism tore apart first to get it back up in there. Okay, we got the 3 screws that hold the bear claw out. Got the control rods disconnected. You can see that one hanging down there at the bottom. Pretty simple, just spring clips holding those in. The 3 screws for here had to be, I had to take a hammer and hit the screwdriver to break them free. Also took this plastic cover that protects the bear claw from any drippage from the window and the latch mechanism itself. But that's what it looks like up in there. Kind of dark to see, but we'll get that one control rod disconnected and the lock control disconnected and get that hopefully pulled out of there and lubed up and cleaned. What are you panning to me for? Did you find something? Yeah. I see the problem. Let's get it out of there and show everybody at home what we're dealing with.